At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
So my name is Alex Groach. I am a senior here at Vantage Carpentry. This is my second year of Vantage. I've been here all 2 years, and my homeschool's from Delphus Jefferson. So my sophomore year, I had no clue what I wanted to do after I graduated from high school, and that kind of scared me a little bit, but I knew Vantage was an opportunity here that helped people find jobs, so I was interested in it. Didn't really know what I wanted to do yet. Our idea here is to not only just touch on carpentry, but for all aspects of construction. So we get a lot of certifications here at Vantage as well. A lot of that's handled your junior year, your first year here, because then that means your senior year when you're building that house, you have all the knowledge to be able to practice that. The type of student that would excel probably in carpentry is someone who both is dedicated, like they want to do something, not like someone who just wants to barely get by, but someone who really wants to get the job done, and that they will, if there's not a job given to them, that they will go out and find that job, and they're not just idly standing by. They are going to stay busy and keep working.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.